Hi there. Sometimes you might need to check the stock availability of a specific product. But when you are managing a big store, checking product by product would take forever. But don't panic, there is no need to invest a large amount of time looking to each product stock. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to quickly gather all the products with a certain stock availability using the WP Sheet Editor plugin for WooCommerce, which has built-in advanced search tools for that purpose. You can download the plugin from the link below the video. Once you install and open it, you will see this spreadsheet, pretty much like an Excel or Google Sheets spreadsheet, where all the products of your store will be displayed. For this tutorial, we are going to be using the search tool over here. You can use these fields to filter your products based on any criteria, although for this section, we are going to use the keyword field to look for all the shoes in our store. As you see, once we run the search, the filter applied will be displayed here, above the spreadsheet. Also, we can see that we have only 10 units in stock. But that's just basic information. In case we need to see a more detailed info about our stock, we can go back to the search tool. The last filter will still be there, so let's tick on the Advanced Filters checkbox. In the field, let's input stock, so the plugin can know in what column of the spreadsheet to look for the requested info. Select the less than or equal symbol here. And enter a numeric threshold for your search. I'm going to input 5, but you can use the value that better works for you. Hit Run Search to apply the filters. Back in the spreadsheet, only the items matching our search criteria and with a stock higher than 0 will be displayed. You can see over here how the stock is distributed among the items. If you are interested in knowing how the stock is running in a certain category, the process would be quite similar. Head for the search tool and input the category you want to check on. Enable the advanced filters. Once the new fields are displayed, enter stock in the field box. Select equal or greater than. And as a numeric value, input your threshold. For this example, I'm going to use 5. Finally, click Run Search. As you see, all the items of the men category with a stock equal or superior to 5 are displayed on the spreadsheet. It is also possible to find products based on an attribute, like finding all the black products on our store. Open the search tool and enter the attribute you want to look for in this field. Tick on the Advanced Filters checkbox. Once the new fields are displayed, input stock over here. Let's search for all the items with a stock equal to 4. Don't forget to hit the Run Search button. Back to our spreadsheet, we will find that only the items matching the filters are being displayed. Download WP Sheet Editor from the link in the description. If you need some chat support, you can always visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new tutorials.